In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage envelopes in DocuSign, whether you're a new user or someone looking for a refresher on efficiently organizing and controlling your digital agreements. This guide is just what you need. To begin managing your envelopes, you'll want to navigate to the Agreements tab within your DocuSign account. This is the central hub where you can manage all your envelopes, offering a structure that's easy to navigate and understand. On the left panel, you'll notice several categories related to the status of your envelopes. Let's break these down to give you a clear picture of what each category is all about. First, there's the Inbox category. This is where you can find all the envelopes that have been sent to you. It's your personal repository of agreements awaiting your attention. Next, we have the Sent category. This area contains all the envelopes you've initiated and sent out to others, and it's a convenient place to track outgoing agreements. Moving on to the next section, we have Completed. Here you will find all envelopes that have been successfully signed or finished, giving you peace of mind about agreements that have reached their conclusion. The Action Required category is particularly important as it houses envelopes that await your signature or review. If there's something pending, this is where you'll want to go to ensure all tasks are handled in a timely manner. If you hover over and click on Show More, you'll reveal additional categories, providing even more granularity to your envelope management. Here, you can explore sections like Drafts, which are envelopes you've begun but haven't yet sent. You'll also find Deleted envelopes if you need to recover any inadvertently removed documents. Other categories include Waiting for Others, for envelopes awaiting another party's action; Expiring Soon, for those nearing their deadline; Authentication Failed, for issues that need addressing; and Bulk Send, for envelopes sent in mass. Plus, you'll see any custom folders you've created for personalized organization. At the top of the main panel, there's a search bar. This feature is incredibly useful for locating specific envelopes quickly, just by typing in keywords or names. And don't overlook the Date filter, Status filter, and Sender filter. These options allow you to zero in on exactly what you need without scrolling through a lengthy list. Once you've located an envelope and want to perform an action, simply click on the three dots icon associated with it. This reveals a menu of options, such as moving, copying, correcting, voiding, or deleting the envelope, allowing you to efficiently execute necessary tasks. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be managing your DocuSign envelopes with greater ease and proficiency. Happy managing!